What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Big Bronco Daddy. Today we're installing some new hood struts. Alright guys, so we got some nice cheapy hood struts off Amazon. I will drop the link below. We're just going to do a quick unboxing and install of this. We got these nice black painted hood struts here. We got our two struts. We have these two brackets here and these two that mount on the hood. So we're just going to do a quick overview on how this installs and we'll see how they work. So let's get to it. The first step is to install that blind nut vertically behind the hood. Then you're going to tighten down the ball stud by hand. Then you're going to tighten it down with an 11mm wrench, not a 13mm, even though the instructions say that. Then we're going to install the brackets. You're going to start by removing the 13mm bolt that's on that inner fender on both sides. Remove that with the washer. Pop out the little harness there, the plastic clip, so you have enough room to work. Reinstall then that bracket below your 13mm bolt. Tighten that down. Reinstall that plastic piece that allows the harness to stay affixed to the inside of the fender, and then repeat the process. Tighten everything down nice. Then you're going to install the bottom part of the strut first on the inner fender, then connect it to the top of the hood. Check for fitment and you're all done. You can also see here how much taller the hood lifts than with the factory prop rod, so the hood will be much higher than it was without the hood struts, which is nice. It gives you some more clearance and makes it a little bit easier to work under the hood. All right, so we got both hood struts on. Took about 15 minutes. Moment of truth. She closes. Nice, even, and good. Let's pop her. Bam. There you have it. Super easy install. Everything went smooth, didn't take long at all. Only need a couple tools and it works great. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to stay tuned for more Bronco content. Check out my videos on my 04 Cobra, my 68 Fastback Pro Street. Thanks for watching.